disgusting. It's garbage. It's getting thrown away. Taryl, can I throw this garbage away?
That ain't garbage, Andy. Leave my stuff alone and just stick to cleaning.
Oh, well, it looks like garbage to me. Do you know I worked on all this stuff?
Yeah, Andy, I'm Taryl Fixes All. I fix everything around here. So just stick to cleaning.
Well, you probably can't get this one running. It's way too old. It belongs in the garbage.
Sure I can. I'm Taryl Fixes All.
Okay, well, you're gonna get this thing running. I'll bring it down.
Careful, Andy. What are you doing? Andy, that looked like it hurt. If you get up, I'll give you a candy bar.
If I get up, can I get some Chips instead?
No. Now get out of my way.
How about a Pompo?
No. Get up.
All right.
Taryl Dactal here.
It's me, Uncle Andy.
Oh yeah, and him too. He's gonna be in this for some reason, I don't know. But today's how-to is gonna be on this here Briggs and Stratton. This is a WI. And this engine is from 1949. And we're gonna see if we can get it running. So first thing we're gonna do is a couple of little preliminary tests. We're gonna see if it's got compression. We're gonna see if it's got spark. So we need a compression tester. Hand me that wrench.
Oh, which one?
The adjustable one.
Okay. Here you go, Taryl. What are you doing with that adjustable wrench?
Taking the spark plug out.
Oh, are you taking the spark plug out?
Yeah, this is the spark plug.
Okay.
And then we're gonna screw in the compression tester. Andy, hold this.
Oh, okay.
Make yourself useful. All right, we're gonna spin it with a drill. Oh, okay. Hit that little button on the side. Made like a fart smell sound.
Okay.
We're gonna do it again. Whoa! Yeah, we got a little bit of sparkage, I noticed.
Sparky.
Let's try it again. It's not good spark. All right.
Oh. Oh. Okay, what was that for?
We wanted to see if it had spark and compression so we could see if the engine's gonna run. Have you learned anything from being around here, hanging around?
I'm trying to learn. I want to learn.
You can't be taught.
Oh. Okay.
So now we need to put some kind of terminal on the end of this so we can fasten it to the spark plug so we can try to start it.
Where does that wire go?
It goes to the spark plug, I just said.
Oh.
So I took off the cap off the top of the plug and I'm just going to temporarily wire that on there.
Is that how it came from the factory?
No, Andy, it had a regular terminal that goes on there.
Oh, okay.
All right. Now we need some carburetor spray. You know what that is, Andy?
I think so.
Go get me a can.
Okay. Here you go, Daryl.
That's not it.
Oh, that's not
gas.
it. Okay, it said lawnmowers on the side.
That red can on that bench over there.
Oh, I see it.
Be quick about it.
Oh. Here you go, Daryl.
All right. So we want to see if it's got oil in it. And to do that, you check that right here.
Is that where the oil goes?
Yeah, Andy, the oil goes in there.
Is there any in there?
Mm-hmm. See it?
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Looks like coffee.
Oh, I love coffee.
Well, here, you want to drink some of this?
Oh, what flavor is it?
So we're gonna spray some carb spray in here. This is the choke on this thing. This is how you choke it. On this old WI.
Oh,
Let's see what happens. Whoa!
did it start? I didn't think he was gonna get it started.
Either did I.
Alright, well, that's the end of the video.
Well, we want to make it keep running. We need a gas tank for it now.
Oh, okay.
So let me go see if I can. Did you see a gas tank up there on that shelf you were cleaning?
I don't remember now.
You don't even know what a gas tank looks like, do you?
No, I don't even know what a gas tank is.
It's gonna be a long video. Andy, there's a gas tank on that engine right there.
Okay.
Go up there and get that engine down.
Oh, alright, Daryl.
Try not to fall.
Sure thing, buddy. Oh.
Andy, you did it again. You fell off the ladder.
Yeah, that hurt again.
Yeah, it looked like it hurt.
Oh,
No candy bar for you. Or Chippos or Popo.
great.
I'll get the engine down.
Okay, Daryl.
Well, this looks like it's another WI. It's basically the same. It's got a little bit different things on it, like this shield here and the kill tab and mounted in this shield. But let's see if this tank is any good. That ain't coming off.
Oh, that looks a little rusty.
Oh, this tank ain't no good.
Oh,
Woo! That's
is that tank no good, Daryl?
No, I don't even know if it could be saved. Oh man, that's what gasoline looks like when it's. Alright, I think I got another tank somewhere else. Now some of y'all might remember this WM, this washing machine engine that we did some videos on. This has got the same tank, so we're just gonna take this tank. Here's that crescent wrench.
Oh, so you're gonna put that tank on that engine?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. That's a real good idea.
Thanks, Andy.
What'd you have for dinner last night?
What I had for dinner last night?
Yeah.
Pizza.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
What'd you have?
I had spaghetti.
In a can?
Just like Mama used to make. Chef Boyardee.
Still got gas in it.
Oh,
Got gas in it. Who says that?
that one guy.
What's that guy's name?
I don't know.
Carl Childers?
Yeah, that's the guy.
You don't know that guy?
No, I don't know that guy.
Now, I don't know how long this engine's been sitting, but it did fire up. Now let's tighten down these little tabs here that hold the gas tank. The cameraman, get out of my way.
Is that engine 70 horsepower?
No. Why did you say that?
I don't know.
Did you see something that said 70 on it?
It just looks like it would make 70 horsepower.
No. It's probably like 70 years old though.
Oh, okay.
Alright, tank's on. I'm gonna try to make a throttle here. There's a piece of this cable left. Somebody cut the cable off. This was probably on a mower or something.
I remember when they cut my cable off. Then I couldn't watch my favorite show, Last Guy Standing.
You like that show, huh? Last Guy Standing?
Oh yeah, that show's hilarious.
Alright. I cut some of the cable off and I lubricated the outside here. And I was able to get this to move. Let's see if this moves. Yep. Well, let's choke it. Spin it with the drill. See if it'll start. Give it a little help. Turn that fan on.
Look at that. That's awesome.
It started. It ran. It's unbelievable. This thing probably ain't ran in 50 years.
Can I put that on my mini bike?
I didn't know you had a mini bike.
I didn't either. That's really neat. That's unbelievable. I paid 20 bucks for this motor. It was in that auction. I got like 5 of them, 20 bucks a piece. And this thing got compression, spark. Nothing been done to that car. That's how they should make the carburetors today like that. Look at that. That thing didn't even need to be cleaned or nothing. Been sitting for 40 years probably. Wow, can't believe that.
See? That's why I'm Taryl Fixes All. I did fix it, didn't I?
Yeah, you were right. It wasn't garbage after all. You got it running.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now this would be a cool little engine to put on some kind of
future project.
Yeah, you should do that.
Yeah,
That'd be fun.
yeah. Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can I be in the video?
sure. We'll be running you over with the mini bike or whatever we put it on.
Oh, great. I can't wait.
Well, it didn't take much to get this old WI half horsepower engine running, and we able to get it running.
Yeah, that didn't take nothing.
No. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. Follow me and Andy
Oh, yeah.
on Facebook and Instagram. Go to our web store, buy some Taryl apparel. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Briggs and Scratton WI didn't need much to get going. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Clean it up, change a couple gaskets, give it a lick of paint, and it'll be like new again.
That's awesome.
Half horsepower.
That's it?
Yeah, it's like if you cut a horse in half.
Oh,